In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Eventbrite tickets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share a ticket link or access with someone else, plus a few important tips to avoid headaches at the door. Let's start on the Eventbrite website. Open your browser and go to Eventbrite, then sign in to your account. Once you're in, click your profile icon and choose Tickets. This takes you to a list of all the events you've registered for. Find the event you want to share, select that ticket, and open it to view the details. On the ticket page, look for the share icon. If you see it, click it to bring up sharing options. If there's no share icon, don't worry. You can usually copy the ticket or event link directly from the page. With that link in hand, send it to the person using your preferred method, whether that's email, a messenger app, WhatsApp, or a simple text message. Everything I just described also works smoothly from the Eventbrite mobile app. The app and the website both let you share ticket access and event links. On the app, open your ticket and use the built-in share option to send it through any app on your phone. Now, a few important things to keep in mind. Some organizers disable ticket transfers or edits. Sharing a link gives someone access, but it doesn't always change the ticket's ownership details, and that's controlled by the event organizer. If you don't see a transfer option or the share button isn't available, it may be turned off for that event. Next, be careful with QR codes. A shared QR code is typically scanned once at the entrance. Once it's been scanned, that's it. The code is used. This means only one person will get in with that code. If multiple people try to use the same QR code, the organizer's scanning system can detect duplicates and may deny entry to anyone beyond the first successful scan. Because of that, avoid posting screenshots of your ticket or QR code publicly. If you need to share, send it privately to the person who will actually attend. It's also a good idea to confirm the recipient can open the link and has the Eventbrite app or the email ready on their phone before arriving at the venue. That's all there is to it. Go to Eventbrite, sign in, open your ticket, use the share icon or copy the link, and send it via email, messenger, WhatsApp, or text. The app works the same way. Keep organizer rules, one-time QR scans, and privacy in mind, and you'll be set for a smooth handoff.